To get Android app working on your laptop, go to Google and search for Genymotion. So Genymotion is a professional Android emulator. So this is the application you're going to download on your Windows, Linux or MacBook. But right now I'll be using my MacBook. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. So let's open it. So this is how the site looks like. So all you have to do is create. As you can see multiple Android devices. You can see Google, Samsung, Xiaomi, Amazon, Sony. These are various Google phones. So let's install Google Pixel. So this, click on next. Okay, device installed. So let's open it. As you can see, we are trying to open the Google Pixel 7 Pro we just downloaded. So as you can see, it had given us a brand new Android. So this now have all the whole function of Android. This is the camera. So as you can see, we now have a new Android phone on our laptop. So you can decide to add applications, do anything, add your WhatsApp, and do anything you want to do on a brand new phone. So let's download Google Play. So on the next step, let's try and create another. Let's try and open another device. Let's open Samsung Galaxy S6. Okay, this is another phone. So on this software, you can decide to add 20 phones or 20 emulator. As you can see, this is another Android. This is our Play Store. So you can decide to create. So I will leave the link on the description where you can get the software. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.